In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the appointment schedule feature in Google Calendar. This tool can be a game changer if you're managing meetings or appointments and want an efficient way to organize them. So let's dive in and learn how to make the most of this function. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar, open your web browser and head to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the account you wish to use for scheduling appointments. Now, once you're in the calendar view, focus your attention on the upper left corner of your screen. Here you'll see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears offering various options, but for now, we'll focus on the appointment schedule option. This feature is designed to help you block out specific times for potential meetings, allowing others to book slots accordingly. Click on appointment schedule to begin setting up your time slots. Now, it's time to enter the details of your appointment. For clarity and to ensure others understand the purpose, provide a clear title for the appointment. Consider the specific duration you'd like each meeting slot to be. You can choose from various preset durations or enter a custom time that works for you. Set the date and time parameters for when you'd like to be available for appointments. This ensures your schedule reflects your real availability and avoids double bookings. Once you've entered the necessary details, click on the Next button to proceed. Here you'll find additional options that allow you to personalize the appointment schedule further. You might want to upload a professional photo or change existing ones, providing a personal touch to the invitation. You can also specify the meeting location. Choose between online options such as a video call or select a physical venue if you're meeting in person. After you've configured these settings to your liking, you'll need to save your work. Click on the Save button. At this point, your appointment schedule is live and added to your calendar grid. The next step is sharing this booking page. To do this, locate and click on the newly created appointment schedule in your calendar. You'll see an option labeled Invite via Link. Click on this and wait as the link is generated. Once the link is ready, click Copy Link. With your link copied, you're ready to share your appointment schedule. You can paste this link into emails, messages, or any other communication platform you use to reach your contacts. This makes it easy for others to book time with you, all while keeping your schedule organized and transparent. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your appointment schedule in Google Calendar, saving you time and making it easy for others to connect with you. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.